Hello, and welcome to week 13 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we will continue on in our study of adulthood with chapter 13, but this week we'll take a look at the psychosocial development of this stage. I've planned for what's hopefully a little breather for you, a little easy week as we are all starting to prepare and look ahead and think about the end of the semester. So as we wrap up this chapter and we look at your module here, here are your lecture slides and then just chapter 13 quiz this week. So you know the drill. As always, please reach out to me if you have any questions. Next week, we will enter into late adulthood and you will have a discussion question on social isolation that you'll be doing for next week. So have a great week, make it a good one, and please reach out to me if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.